guys, what's up? It's your girl Jackie, and today I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a review slash tutorial for this Carbon Coco teeth whitening thing. And if you don't know what Carbon Coco is, it is a two-step charcoal based teeth whitening thing. So yeah, this video was supposed to be out a few months ago, but then things happened and I stopped being active, and then yeah, so this is basically how I've been keeping my teeth white. With the amount of coffee I consume per day, they should be yellow, but they're not because of this. So yeah, this is natural because there's no chemicals in it. So yeah, do not forget to follow me on all my social media, which is all at JackieeMuah, which is written right here. And yeah, let's just get started with this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so to get started, we are going to take this toothbrush right here, and the bristles are a black grayish shade because they are charcoal infused, I believe. I don't quite remember the exact description, but they have something to do with charcoal, so yeah. So we're just going to wet the brush and then kick off the excess water. And then we're gonna, hold on, let me get my powder real quick.
2 hours later.
Alright, so we got the powder open, so we are gonna dip the brush into the powder like so, and then we're gonna tap off the excess, and then we're gonna put that down, and I'm gonna speed through this part because you guys don't really need to see me brushing my teeth, but basically you're gonna hit your teeth in like this and kind of just like put it all over your teeth, and you're gonna scrub it for about 2 minutes, I believe. So yeah, let's fast forward through this. Okay, so now that we got my charcoal powder on the teeth, we are gonna wash the brush off. Once the brush is washed off, we're gonna wash the powder out of my teeth. And you're washing the powder out by lightly rinsing, so yeah. My tongue is still like that, so now we are gonna take the little tongue scrubber. I'm not too sure how to use it once again, but one side's like, I don't know if you guys can see this on camera, but one side's like higher up than the other one, and I'm not sure how to use that, but I guess we're gonna wet this first. I'm not sure if you're supposed to wet it, but we're gonna wet it, and then we're gonna take this part, I guess, and scrub my tongue. I don't know how this is supposed to work. I mean, it's working, sort of. I don't really know what it's supposed to do, but it's getting the black stuff off my tongue, so I mean, it's alright, I guess. Alright. Let's go to the next step. Okay, so now you're going to take the little charcoal toothpaste, and the directions are on the back here, and it says step 1, first brush your teeth with the activated charcoal tooth polish, which we did. 2, lightly rinse and expel charcoal from your mouth, we did. 3, brush with activated charcoal toothpaste, which is what we are doing now. So we're going to use the same toothbrush, and we're gonna put the charcoal toothpaste on it like that, and then we are going to brush our teeth. But before we do that, let's finish reading what the back says. So to step 4, do not swallow, spit out, and rinse after use. So basically you rinse your mouth out, which is what you normally do with toothpaste. And then there's 3 little dash mark things, and it says brush at least twice a day or as directed by a dentist. For best results, use with activated charcoal tooth polish, and recommended for use ages 12 and up. Oh, and then there's more over here, and it says 1 times activated charcoal toothpaste. For more information, contact us at, and it lists their information, which I will put down below. So yeah, let's start brushing my teeth, I guess. So when you're done brushing your teeth, you're gonna wash the brush off again. And then you're gonna rinse your mouth out. And then for the heck of it, why not use the tongue scrubber again? Alright guys, so now that we have completed brushing my teeth, I am going to give a little review on each of the products. So yeah, so to start, we're gonna talk about the little toothbrush, and it's basically just a normal toothbrush. There's nothing really special about it except for the little bristle thing, but I don't think that makes much of a difference, to be honest, because I've been using this toothbrush, which is just a normal toothbrush, and I'm still getting the same results. So I don't think that the toothbrush is a very big factor in getting your teeth whiter. So yeah, the next product we're talking about is the little tooth polish thing, and I've always wanted to be relevant enough to be able to use one of these things, and now I am. So basically, I really like how it like makes your teeth all like black, because like if you guys can't tell, all I wear is black. Like black is my color, so it just makes my teeth, my mouth black, and I love it. It's amazing. But I'm not sure if this or this is helping my teeth get whiter more. So yeah, but I do think it works. So yeah. And then the next item we're talking about is the toothpaste, and it is supposed to be spearmint flavored, and it tastes pretty good. Not that I'm eating it, but it tastes pretty good, and it is pretty minty, so I would say that it goes to the flavor of the toothpaste. So yeah, and I like how it's like a normal toothpaste, and it does work because my teeth are not yellow right now, so yeah, it does something. So yeah, I really like these products, and I really think that they do help my teeth, and I do think that it works. So I would give a 10 out of 10 to this brand. Thank you so much, Carbon Coco, for sending me these products. If you guys would like to get a giveaway of this, leave your thoughts down below. But yeah, if you guys would like to purchase it, I will be leaving a link in the description down below too. So yeah, let's move to the outro. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this Carbon Coco review video. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, comment your thoughts down below, and subscribe for more of me. I post videos every Saturdays at 8 p.m. Pacific time. I promise I will start posting. So yeah, it's always a lit time here, so please join the family and hit that subscribe button so we can continue getting these products to review and possible giveaways and stuff like that. So yeah, Before you go, do not forget to follow me on all my social media. Once again, it is all at JackieeMuah, which is written right here once again. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys next time. Love you guys. Bye!